and welcome to another quick maths tutorial. Today I'll be showing you how you can simplify surds or square roots. So sometimes you'll be given a square root. It may not always have a square number inside of it, so it won't always give you a nice positive integer, but you'll still be asked to simplify it. This could be a step in a bigger question, or it could be a 1 or 2 mark question by itself. And I'll be showing you a couple of things that you possibly could be asked about this quite small skill. So first off, we're going to look at square root of 9, and easily I can tell you that's 3. You just need to learn, if you see a square number inside of it, you need to be able to just know what number will come out. Here though, we're going to be looking at this here. So again, we've got 16 is a square number inside the square root. To look at this, we're going to do the square root first. So we're going to ignore the 2 slightly for a moment. We're going to get root 16 is 4. Because they're touching, and this is algebra, because before we've solved the square root, we treat it as if it's an unknown, like a letter, because we don't actually know its proper value yet. And since they're touching, there will be timesing. Okay, so it'll be 2 times whatever this is. We've established it's 4, so it'll be 2 times 4. We get 8 from that. Okay, here I have root 12, and problem with root 12 is not a square number, so this isn't going to be given a positive answer, and we're still going to get a square root when we're done with this. But what we're going to get is we're going to get a small square root, and we're going to try and give it its simplest form. So we're going to simplify it, not to a whole number though. So the thing about square roots is you can write one square root as 2 numbers times them together, still inside the square root. And what you want is one of them to be a square number, so you can simplify that, okay? So we could write this as big root of 4 times 3, okay, so that makes 12. So root 4 times 3, so that should give us root 4 times, in separate, root 3, because they're separately, okay? And root 4 says 2. So really that's 2 root 3. Alright? Just try and get a square number out of it. If you can't find a factor that is a square number, then it can't simplify. That's important. And finally, we're going to be looking at what happens when we have a number in front, and just like before, we treat it separate. We do root 20. I can tell you that the biggest square number that goes into root 20 is root 4 and root 5. So root 4 is a square number. So I'm going to simplify root 4 to be 2 root 5. Then again, we still got times that by 3. Don't forget about that. And we get 6 lots of root 5. Okay. So that's a quick video today, just for a little refresher on this nice little trick about how to simplify surds. So thanks for watching.